Hey, what's going, guys? It's me, Bendra Canada, back here with another video. I can't keep my phone off my charger, so all I'm going to do is be sitting right here, probably doing some basketball trick shots out of my room, in my room, with this basketball net right here. Okay, so yep. Ouch! Yeah. Sorry, I dropped my phone. I wish I could.